Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Many people follow specific diets when they have certain goals in mind. If your goal is weight loss, today, I'm going to share some very simple and satisfying ideas for breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. I understand that making changes to your diet can be challenging, but with the right mindset and a few simple tips, you can achieve your weight loss goals. So, let's get started with a morning drink. Start your day with apple cider vinegar. Mix about 5 to 10 milliliters of apple cider vinegar in a glass of lukewarm water. Drink it on an empty stomach. Drinking apple cider vinegar with water first thing in the morning can help burn fat faster. Now, let's move on to breakfast. Breakfast is very important for weight loss, and having protein-rich food in your breakfast is a must. Eating a protein-rich breakfast reduces appetite and hunger, keeps you full, and helps you consume fewer calories throughout the day. Breakfast. High-protein Energizer meal. Scrambled eggs with spinach, avocado, and whole grain toast. Ingredients: 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg whites, 1/2 cup spinach, sautéed 1/4 avocado, sliced 1 slice of whole grain bread. Optional: a dash of chili flakes for flavor. Calories: approximately 300 to 350 benefits. High protein to keep you full. Healthy fats from avocado for long-lasting energy. Whole grain toast for fiber and sustained release of energy. Make sure your lunch is balanced with proteins, carbohydrates, and other nutrients. Eat only as much as you need, so you feel hungry after about 4 hours. If you don't feel hungry after 4 hours, it means you are overeating during lunchtime. Lunch. Balanced Buddha bowl. Meal. Grilled chicken with quinoa, steamed broccoli, and a tahini dressing. Ingredients: 4 ounces grilled chicken breast, 1/2 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup steamed broccoli, 1 tablespoon tahini, mixed with lemon juice and garlic. Calories: approximately 400 to 450 benefits. High in lean protein. Complex carbs for steady energy. Fiber and vitamins from broccoli. Let this be an indicator to control your portion sizes. Your lunch should give you the energy to stay focused and productive for the rest of the day, whether you're at the office or working from home. A protein-packed lunch is an excellent way to keep you energized and alert throughout the afternoon. Afternoon. Snack. Crunchy and satisfying meal. Veggie sticks with hummus. Ingredients: 1/2 cup raw carrot and cucumber, sticks 2 tablespoons hummus. Calories: approximately 100 to 150. Benefits: low in calories, high in fiber. Healthy fats and protein from hummus. During snack time, you can have green tea with something light like puffed rice or fox nuts, macana. Make sure not to overeat during this time. The ingredients in green tea help burn fat and speed up the body's metabolism. Now, we come to the last meal of the day, dinner. Dinner. Low-calorie comfort bowl, meal. Baked salmon with roasted veggies and a side of mixed greens. Ingredients: 4 ounces baked salmon, seasoned with lemon, garlic, and herbs. 1 cup roasted veggies, zucchini, bell peppers, and asparagus. 1 cup mixed greens with a light vinaigrette, olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Calories: approximately 400 to 450 benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon for heart and brain health. Low-calorie veggies for volume and satiety. Balanced fats and protein to support weight loss. Support your digestive system by always including warm soups and vegetables in your dinner. Eating an early soup-based dinner promotes weight loss and better sleep. It also improves bowel habits and reduces issues like bloating and acid reflux. Remember, the key to weight loss is not just about what you eat, but also how you eat it. With these simple plans for breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner, you can start working toward your weight loss goals in a healthy way. Enhancing weight loss goes beyond just following a meal plan. It's about adopting sustainable habits. Prioritize protein at every meal to boost metabolism and keep hunger at bay. Stay hydrated to avoid mistaking thirst for hunger, and incorporate fiber-rich foods and healthy fats for lasting satiety. Plan meals ahead, control portions with smaller plates, and be mindful of hidden calories in dressings or sugary drinks. Timing your meals, practicing mindful eating, staying active daily, and getting quality sleep are equally essential. Remember, weight loss is a journey of consistent, mindful choices that align with your long-term health goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips and meal plans. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask questions. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.